to make a chicken cordon bleu. First, prepare all the ingredients needed. We have here chicken breast, ham, cheese, salt and pepper. Pound chicken breast into 1/4 inch thickness. Top the chicken breast with ham and cheese. Start rolling the chicken breast from one end to the other. By using a cling wrap, make sure that it's tightly rolled. Do the same procedure in the remaining chicken breast. Chill for 2 to 3 hours. In 3 separate bowls, prepare flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Dip each roll in this order: flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Preheat your oven into 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Transfer your cordon bleu to a baking pan and bake for at least 10 to 15 minutes or until chicken is no longer pink. And here is your chicken cordon bleu. Enjoy! Show some love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you!